From the heart of Houston, it's fun, it's engaging, it's Chattin' with Chelsea. She's daytime's new bestie. Here's your host, Chelsea Edwards. Come back to me.
Hey, besties. Thank you for joining me for another Chat with Chelsea. I'm your daytime bestie, Chelsea Edwards. All right, you know we love to have a party here on Chat with Chelsea, and today is no different. We are having a STEM party. I know you did not expect that, but STEM, yes, science, technology, engineering, math. We are getting into it. We are also going to tell you why you need to get your kids into it, even if they're little bitty. We're talking 3 years old. You can get them started, and we're going to tell you how. So, you know, I have a 3-year-old, almost 4 now. Pretty smart kid. I have focused a lot on reading and literacy. I will say we've done a lot of work on that. All his teachers are impressed. But I realized the other day what we have not worked on is games. We have not done enough games. He wanted to play hide and seek the other day. It's his idea. I said, sure, of course, let's do it. We are playing in the house. I hide first. I'm a really good hider. I find, you know, a dark spot in his room, like behind the laundry basket. He can't find me. He's looking, and then I jump out and scare him, right? Part of the fun of being a parent. But then it's time to switch. I mean, we make our own rules. So we switch, and we're in my bedroom, and it's time for mommy to count. I'm counting, and he is supposed to hide, right? He decides to hide under the covers of the bed where I am kneeling and counting, and then proceeds to laugh the entire time. So I have to act like I don't hear him or see him right there under the covers going as I'm counting. Always fun with toddlers, I will say. But yes, you can get them started in STEM early, and we have the perfect example of that. We got Mommy and Me, the listers in. Come on out. We've got Crystal and Chrissy and Kinsley joining us here on Chat with Chelsea. Yes! Thank y'all so much for coming. So cute, so adorable, girls. Come right over here. All right, don't be shy. Okay, so tell everybody what Mommy and Me, the Listers is all about.
Mommy and Me, the Listers is a STEM organization, and we are geared to getting the community exposed to STEM. We are the STEM magicians. What do we do, girls?
We uncover the magic of science.
Whoa! This is a couple of smarty pants right here. Yes. I mean, so what was the draw for you to make sure that your girl started early in STEM?
So I saw that the access to STEM education, it was slim, right? And coming off of the pandemic. So I was a former teacher. So I'm like, I can teach your children. We started on YouTube, and Chrissy and Kinsley did things right in our home. So easy breezy. And then people wanted to see more. So we took the show on the road, and we encourage and expose and give experiences to all the youth that we can, especially in underserved communities as well.
Yes, and Chrissy and Kinsley, you are some YouTube stars. I know you get recognized in the store and everything. Let me tell you. How do you love STEM? Like, what do you think about it? Do you have fun doing experiments with your mom?
Yes.
Yes, a lot of fun. Do you have a favorite experiment that you really like?
Definitely magic milk.
Ooh, magic milk is a good one. And you know what's so great about your channel is that these are experiments that people can do at home with their kids. They're easy to replicate.
Yes. Household items, really simple, but they make a big impact. It sparks a love for learning, and I can't tell you how many times I've come home and they're like, which experiment are we doing today? That's probably why it took her so long. She had to go through all the ones that are her favorite.
So, yeah, why is it so important that kids get into STEM so young?
So scientists discovered that it moves from 400 times where they have to see a new concept to just 20. We're learning while playing. Chrissy can tell you about the most extensive chemical reaction we have and why that works and how that works.
Wow.
And that is amazing. It's STEM-mazing.
STEM-mazing. Yes, beautiful. All right, so when it comes to getting girls specifically in STEM, why is that an objective for you?
Well, I always tell this story. So I grew up in inner city Houston, and I wanted to be a cashier. until I could clean up on aisle 9 no more.
What?
And I was exposed to the world of STEM, and it changed the trajectory of my whole life. Now I have a career at NASA, and I wanted to change the trajectory of my children, of other children who may not, you know, they say if you can see it, you can be it. But what if you can't see it? So I want them to see me and know that I'm that beacon.
Yes.
And I'm giving that experience to the next generation of scientists and little thinkers.
So let's talk a little bit about your work at NASA, because I mean they're doing huge things, and then you tie that into some of your experiments as well.
So we just empower the community, and we even ask some of those NASA professionals to join us on the charge, like at our STEM Carnival, at our community events and things like that. And more recently, we won a pitch competition.
Yes, a good chunk of $20,000. Okay. What is the plan with that money?
What are we gonna do with it?
We're gonna buy a STEM party bus.
I
So
love
talk
a
about the
party. I
STEM
love
party.
a bus. Yes.
STEM party. So we know that a lot of people, 10% of Houstonians, of Texans, don't have access to transportation. So we're decreasing the disparity in transportation. You can't come to us. We're going to come to you with the STEM party. So providing access and equity, not just in STEM, but bridging that academic gap and the transportation gap as well.
I love it. I love it. And I'm so excited about what you're doing and about our experiment that we're all going to do. Girls, are you ready for me to be a scientist with you?
Yes!
Yes! Let's do it. Okay. We are going to give you some time to get ready and set up for that. In the meantime, guys, keep it right here. After this break, we're going to talk to a founder of a STEM school and talk about why it is important to get that early start. We'll be back after this.
Got the feeling, come back to me. I've got the feeling.
Now that we know the importance of starting STEM early, we're going to show you a fun experiment you can do at home with your little ones and big ones. We are back with Mommy and Me, the listers. Okay, so what are we going to do?
So we are going to do the magic ink.
Yes, I love it. Okay, so this is something we can do whenever. We can even do it for the holidays, Thanksgiving. This is fun.
You can write a magic message anytime.
Okay.
Any time of year.
Any time of year. I love that. All right. So what do we need for this experiment?
So, Chrissy, tell them what they need to write the magic ink.
So, first all you need is baking soda and water.
That's it. Baking
That's
soda
it.
and water. And you have this Q-tip. We write our magic message with a Q-tip. I'm going to swirl a little here.
Is it half and half of the baking soda and water?
Yes, it's equal parts.
Equal parts.
And you don't need a lot of baking soda. So some people think that you need a lot, but you don't. And it's an acid-base reaction. So you just write like this. And write whatever you don't want them to see, and you let it dry.
Okay.
The key is to let it dry all the way, and then they can't tell, just like these sheets that we've already prepared for you.
So you've already put a message on here for me.
A bunch of messages.
Bunch of them.
I cannot wait.
Yes, we're all gonna do them. You ready?
And what part of STEM does this show the little ones?
So this shows a chemical reaction. So most people think chemical reactions are huge things. We all know the baking soda and vinegar.
Yes.
But this is a simple chemical reaction. And this outlines the acid-base experiment. And it talks about the changes in color, the difference that it makes, what you can do with simple ingredients.
All right, I love it. All right, so simple to start off with, and then we have, what is this mixture?
Turmeric.
Turmeric.
So usually we don't tell our magic, but we're gonna share with you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, so this magic solution is just
Alcohol.
and turmeric.
Turmeric.
Very cool. All right, and that's something I already have in my house.
Yes.
All right, so how much of the turmeric and the alcohol do we need?
The same, it's equal parts. And this experiment is very forgiving. You don't have to be super specific, and you can just really have fun with it. So equal parts turmeric and alcohol. The turmeric, you don't need a lot, just like the baking soda, it goes a long way.
Nice. All right. So then we have our popsicle sticks, cotton
Yes.
ball on it.
We put, this is a very messy experiment. So we put the popsicle stick, the cotton ball on a popsicle stick so you won't mess up your nails, because it will. The turmeric is staining. So if you're afraid of getting messy, take it outside and have fun that way.
Okay, just hot glue on there?
Yep.
Okay,
This
all right,
is
that
really
works.
just regular glue,
Oh,
right? It's
yeah.
real simple.
Easy. You're so
Easy.
excited. Yes.
Easy.
All right.
And now all we need to do is just dip it in the turmeric.
Dip it in the turmeric.
Let's do it.
All right, dip it. And you're gonna just paint your paper. And so as Chrissy and Kinsley are gonna show you how simple it is to reveal.
All you need is just to rub it around.
Oh, this is so cool. Let me tell you, I'm seeing the chemical reaction.
Right before your eyes, right?
Wow.
My hand
Oh, guys, I love my secret message.
What does it say?
It says, hey, bestie. That is perfect.
I got this.
Yes,
What
and
did
I
yours-
have more secret messages here.
Yes, Chrissy, what does yours say?
Mine says, hold on. Mine says
She's almost there.
STEM magic.
STEM magic.
STEM magic, because it is like magic.
Yes, and most people think it's magic. So we are the STEM magicians. We uncover the
Magic of science.
magic of science.
Yes.
For those kids who don't know they have the magic in them, we give them the magic.
Awesome.
So I was first generation, all the things, college student, entrepreneur, and so it's so important for me to pass this forward and just have a platform to be able to inspire the next generation.
Wow, and I mean, you
Another
are
one.
inspiring so many with
God.
this, so many
Your
little ones and
turn.
families.
Look, they're having so much fun.
I love this next message. Mommy and me with Chelsea.
Yes.
Yes. All right. I got more messages to uncover.
Yes.
But you know, so many people are impressed with your kids and how well spoken they are. Okay, what are the ages?
So Chrissy is, how old are you?
I'm 5.
5.
I just turned 5 Friday, August 9th.
Oh, well, happy belated.
Kinsley, and Kinsley is 3.
Kinsley is 3.
Kinsley is 3.
Wow.
She's going to turn 4 January 11th.
January 11th.
Nice.
She
Yep.
makes sure to tell you.
She's like, send a gift,
Yes,
please. Make sure you
yes.
put it on your
Have us
calendar.
back here to do more magic.
Was it difficult at all to get them interested in STEM, or did you just jump right in when they were very small?
Oh, we jumped right in. It was so easy because they're playing, and they could do this every day. As a matter of fact, we probably do it every day. Our ceiling and our countertops tell the story of the experiments that we do every day. So we're always so excited to just get hands-on, minds-on learning. That is the key to unlocking innovation, discovery, creativity, problem solving, analytical
This
skills.
one's so cool. STEM is fun.
STEM is fun. I'm having so much fun. That is such a good message.
So what started on YouTube just morphed into something much bigger than I could have ever imagined. And I had a friend who said, this is a business. And I didn't see it like that
Oh,
at
wow.
all. I just thought I was doing really cool stuff. You know, as a teacher, that's what we do. Empower the community, teach the next generation, reach one, teach one. And I was like, oh, this could be a business, but I had no idea what to do.
Yeah.
So I reached out to
I'm
SCORE.
going to tag this thing.
And they, you know, they always talk about why reinvent the wheel when you can find a wheel maker and learn from them. And that's exactly what SCORE's been doing.
Oh, excellent. Well, congratulations on that winning. You were doing such a wonderful job with the girls and educating others on the importance of STEM. Tell everybody where to find your videos, lessons, all of that.
So you can check us out on YouTube, but don't forget to like, share, and
Subscribe.
She's like, there we go. She's like, I'm busy right now.
right, she did not have time for that tagline. Like, share, and subscribe. You can also find us on Instagram, on Facebook, on our website. We have community events everywhere. So we want to just encourage everyone to follow us on YouTube because that provides access right where you are. We're reaching them right where we are, right where they are, and taking them to where they need to be.
Yes. All right. So happy to have you on. We got 3 new besties here on Chatting with Chelsea, guys. We'll be right back after this commercial break. What is that? I want to thank our guests and thank you for joining me for this amazing episode of Chatting with Chelsea. All right. great, guys. Follow us on social media at Chelsea Show Fox. And my wardrobe is provided by Trezor Cachet Boutique. We will see you next time.